Hi, mate. This is Sai. We provide advanced full stack big data analytics program. So let me just take you through the course. So in this program, we usually have 140 to 150 hours of training, out of which we have Hadoop, Spark, as well as cloud. So in this entire course, we have three phases: phase one, phase two, and phase three. Each phase is 50 hours. Okay. So getting into phase one, we start with what is software is, what is SDLC and SDLC, because covering the non-IT folks who are completely new to IT industry. Then evolution of big data overview, HDFS, Linux commands, Hadoop commands, Scoop, Hive, AWS Hive Analytics, Azure Hive Analytics, Yarn architecture. And you have two projects here. This is phase one, project one, in which we get the incremental data processing in Hive, Scoop semi-structured data processing of Arrow. So this is project two. So once this gets completed, 50 hours gets wrapped up. Coming to advanced one, 50 hours, you have 45 hours of Spark here and 5 hours for HBase. So if you take Spark theory, RDs, transformation actions, Spark SQL, Spark data frames, Spark semi-structured data handling, Spark complex data processing, Spark integrations, Spark use cases, HBase NoSQL DB, and you have HBase Scoop integration, HBase Hive integration, and HBase Spark integration. So we have the version controlling also GitHub. So we'll be committing the data to the code to the Git. Yeah. And we have three projects here. However, we're going to handle both in Scala Spark and PySpark. So get into the project. This is project 3, which is called cloud related, which we'll be integrating with the cloud. In Spark, incremental data batch processing with HBase storage handler. Spark AWS RDS schema and HBase data reads to Hive. And incremental data processing using Spark. So this is very optional, this project. Before two are very important. Take you to phase 3. It is Kafka MQ, Spark streaming data processing, Cassandra NoSQL DB, Spark structured stream data processing, MiFi orchestration, MiFi data flow, Spark streaming with Kafka, Spark structured streaming with Kinesis, Spark structured streaming with Kafka, Snowflake, AWS components like S3, EMR, EC2, Athena, RDS, and Kinesis. These are AWS components which we'll be seeing out. So these are the one of the AWS projects which we'll be creating in AWS, and we have two streaming projects as well. So coming to on whole, we have basic phase, we have phase 2, advanced phase, we have phase 3, advanced 2 phase of all these components. What are the add-ons? Right. So we have the total recordings of entire sessions gets recorded. It's a lifetime access for you. 400 to 500 hours of use case and task and completions. Task and project completion assistance during weekdays. The sessions are completed in the weekends, but in weekdays, we have the doubt sessions hosted every day to clarify doubts or to clear up the blockers. Dedicated person to track your learning curve individually. Every day, all of your learning curve will be in my plate. The most important, the fifth point is real audio interviews. So we usually attend so many interviews, take up so many interviews. So we'll be providing the real interview audios for your reference, so that with the help of it, you can easily get a chance to know about how the interview is happening in the market. So there are a few thumb rules here. If you're coming here, there should be 3 major thumb rules. Number 1, you should not skip any session because each session matters a lot to us. So second one, session should be joined on time. As first 5 minutes, we set agenda. So on time, not even a minute delay. It would be helpful if you join 5 minutes before. Assignment should be completed on time. So please ensure that assignments are getting completed for sure. Yeah. Types of courses. We have Big Data Full Stack and Spark. In Big Data Full Stack, we put all the 3 phases. But Spark, we have advanced 1 and advanced 2 along. That means phase 2 and phase 3. Fee structure. Total fees, actual fee 17. We can pay it in 2 installments. One is 8.5K after 12 hours of session, another 8.5K after 35 hours of session, or almost 1 month gap after you pay the first installment. We do have something as discount enrollments also, but that works on first come, first out. That means you can pay it in 3 installments, but discount enrollments are very limited. Okay. So that's the reason we have 3 installments. 2K you have to pay right now to book it, because discount enrollments are very limited. We have close to 6 open right now. So this enrollments, you have to pay 2K to lock a seat upon your name. The other one is after 12 hours, you pay 6K. After 35 hours, you pay 6.5K. The new batch gets started with August 28th, Saturday. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST. 6 discount enrollments are open currently. If those get filled off, you're no more eligible for discount enrollments. Coming to Spark fee structure, which is just phase 2 and phase 3. The total fee is 12K, normal enrollment, which in 2 installments you can pay 6K after 12 hours, 6K after 25 hours. After 5 hours, 6K after 25 hours. The total fee for the discount enrollments is 10K. You can pay it in 3 installments, 2K right now to lock a seat, 4K after 5 hours, 4K after 25 hours. 3 discount enrollments are open. It's a first come, first served basis. Who books first, they'll have the discount. August 7th is a start date for the Spark batch. So the timing would be 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. IST. For the same batch, thumb rules are applied. Thank you, folks. You can reach out to me in case of anything. I'll provide my number here. So my number would be yes, I have added my phone number here. This has the same WhatsApp. You can reach out to me anytime. 7395 899 448. Thank you.